welcome and a very good day. I hope you guys are in the best of health. So, for today's subject, which is English Year 1,
This is cat sound. This is dog sound. This is bird's sound.
okay, now you have to guess the sounds of an animal and you have to identify what kind of animals are they. Okay, let's listen to the first sound. Okay, do you guys know what animal is this? Let's see. It is a bird. Okay. It is a cat. Okay, now this is the last sound. Let's listen together. Can you guys guess what kind of animal is this? It is a dog. Good job.
Let's do the exercise. Listen to the sound and match the picture. Good job. That's all for today. Goodbye, student. Take care.